In front of me is VIVO Y19s, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for remove pop-up to show up. When it does, click on it. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you want to restore it, you need to pinch your device's display and click on Widgets at the bottom. Now scroll down to look for a Google app, click on it, look for your search bar, and when you find it, hit Add Widget at the bottom. Then, if you want to move it around, hold it and drag it to the proper place. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!